Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since our last update, but today we're diving deep into the world of crypto, focusing on Bitcoin and discussing the recent news that has been making headlines. We'll cover the price surge, the market outlook for the coming weeks, and various significant developments. So let's get it started. Bitcoin has experienced an incredible upward movement this week, rising by 22% in the past 7 days. This is surely noteworthy considering the bearish sentiment that prevailed over the last 2 months. While Bitcoin began the year on a strong note, its momentum slowed down as we entered the second quarter. The market then took a significant hit, pushing us even lower following news of the SEC lawsuit and issues faced by exchanges like Binance US and Coinbase. However, recently, we've been having our fair share of positive news that is shifting the trend completely. Starting with BlackRock's filing for a Bitcoin ETF a week ago, of course. BlackRock's move was a game changer, initially driving the market up. Additionally, we received news about EDX with Klaus Schwab, Fidelity, and Citadel opening a crypto exchange and successfully completing their first funding round. This development also had a major positive impact on the market. Adding to the bullish sentiment, the SEC just approved the first leveraged Bitcoin futures ETF. Following this streak of good news, Bitcoin reached a new yearly high at 31.5k, which is where things are getting much more interesting, and I'll tell you why in a moment. So, the 31 to 32k level is an important range, perhaps the most important area we've seen over the course of the past 2 years, and just by zooming out, you can understand why. So, we faced rejection from this level not so long ago, as you can see, leading to a decline towards lower targets. Going back to last year, we can see that we've also spent a decent amount of time around this level before breaking below it, which ended up with Bitcoin and the entire market crashing down. If you go even further back to 2021, we can observe how this zone played a significant role as support on 2 occasions. This displays the importance of this area for market makers, thus surpassing $32,000 would be monumental, and it will surely set us up for much better momentum. If we manage to move above 32k, I would honestly expect a continuation towards the next high volume node, which comes in at $37,000. Look, I know it's been a while since we've hit a substantial move up. The past few months were just dull and boring. Therefore, the renewed excitement in the market is totally understandable. However, it is important to note the lack of cash flow in altcoins. While Bitcoin has set a new local top in 2023, reaching its highest level in over a year, altcoins remain stuck near the yearly open. Most altcoins are still down 90% from their all-time high and between 30 to 50% from this year's high. This raises several questions of whether altcoins are the right option once again. People always forget this. Whenever they see Bitcoin go up, they throw their money on altcoins instead, thinking that altcoins will outperform BTC. And a lot of time that is the case, especially in bullish phases, especially in uptrends. But so far this year has shown otherwise. And so buying altcoins because Bitcoin went up isn't always the best play. Now, to better understand the momentum, let's take a look at the KDJ indicator. Currently, the black line is above 80 on our time frame, and the blue K line is leading the upside race against the orange line. This is a bullish sign. The last time we saw a similar pattern on this indicator, the price surged from 20k to $30,000. This doesn't necessarily mean that we'll go from 25k to 35 or $40,000 this time, but it does indicate that we still have a bullish momentum. As the saying goes, the trend is your friend until the end. As far as I'm concerned, it's a bad idea, it's a horrible idea to bet against an uptrend that has just begun. Therefore, I anticipate this bullish phase to continue for a bit longer, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see Bitcoin reach $32,000 and potentially even higher in the days to come. I know a lot of people were caught by surprise, and I was also caught by surprise this time. I saw that 30k, I think 2 months ago, and only bought Ethereum again 3 days ago following the EDX news. And I get what bears say when they say it's bad luck this time, because honestly, if it wasn't for the news, we wouldn't be at where we are. But this is the market. You've got to adapt. Be like water and go with the flow. So this is my opinion on the market. Again, please remain cautious with altcoins. I've said this many times. Most have been performing poorly regardless of how well Bitcoin did. And so before throwing your money on them, think twice. So thanks for sticking by till the end. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.